So over here, let's say I'm going to go around and make a selection. Let's say, for example, I'm going to go around onto the elliptical tool right here, just like this, and then make a selection. So let's say I want to go around and save this selection for later use. In that case, you can go around onto the select menu right here, and then go around over here and click on Save Selection. So once you go around over here, you can see that you can save this on this particular document and choose a new channel right here. So, and let me just go around and rename this to selection 1 and press OK. So once I do that, what actually happens is that the selection gets saved around in the channel right here, as you can see, just like this. Let me just go around onto layer right here, and then let me just go around, make a new selection. Let's say, for example, I'm going to go around and remove this part out right here. And if I want to go ahead and add in this selection to the alpha channel, I can simply go around onto select and then go around onto save selection. And let's say this is going to be select 2 right here. And on the channel, you can see the select 1 and 2 right there. So apart from that, you can also go around and load the selection right here. Let's say, for example, in mode of, let's say, for example, combining or subtracting right here. You can go around and choose the selection right here, just like this, press OK, and then it opens up in combine mode. So let's say, for example, I'm going to load the selection as a new selection right here. So I can go around, get back that particular selection 2 right here, just like this. Or you can also go around over here and load the selection and say selection 1 right here, and you get the first selection, as you can see right here. So you can save out the individual selections and even load them up in different selection modes as you like by using the option of saving and loading selection inside a Photopea. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.